We are also developing news in the child murder trial of Kimberly Fry. This afternoon, the prosecution rested its case after calling its final witness to the stand. And today, the jury heard more powerful testimony against the North Kingstown mom accused of strangling her daughter to death. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly is live outside Washington County Superior Court now with the latest developments.
Yes, Susan, the prosecution did rest its case this afternoon here in Kimberly Fry's murder trial, but not before introducing more potentially damaging evidence. Lori Rizzo is a counselor in the women's division of the state prison in Cranston, the ACI. The prosecution called her as one of its final witnesses in Kimberly Fry's second-degree murder trial in the death of her young daughter, 8-year-old Camden Fry. Prosecutors say she strangled her daughter to death back in August of '09 during one of Camden's tantrums over taking a bath. After a prison orientation session 2 weeks later, Lori Rizzo testified that Kimberly Fry stayed behind in a small classroom after all the other prison inmates had left, and that she asked, "Can I talk to you?" Lori Rizzo said Kimberly Fry was crying and that the inmate told her she was a horrible person for what she had done and that she deserved to be in prison. During a conversation that lasted about 15 minutes, Lori Rizzo testified that Kimberly Fry said the last thing she remembered was her hands on her daughter's face before waking up in the hospital after she tried to kill herself. Lori Rizzo told the jury that Kimberly Fry said she drank 4 different kinds of medications and that as a nurse she knew what she needed to take to end her life. Lori Rizzo went on to testify that Kimberly Fry said she thought she'd probably end up in prison for the rest of her life and that she didn't care. The prosecution also introduced into evidence what amounts to a personal journal entry that Kimberly Fry wrote more than a year before Camden died. We'll read portions of that note new at 6. Live at Superior Court with the South County Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.